Landewyck is a family-owned company established in 1847. We are Luxembourgish based. We distribute around 140 brands, half of the European markets. A typical modern machine that we have can produce up to 10,000 cigarettes per minute, and a factory in Luxembourg up to 45 to 50 millions of cigarettes per day. Track and trace has been imposed by the European regulation to benefit to the taxpayer in order to diminish or control a bit better all the smuggling and the fraud in the tobacco industry. On the other side, we took advantage of such constraint to include much more data points into our processes, into our logistical flows. So we have a wealth of data to analyze and improve our internal processes. Track and trace seems quite simple. For each market we want to sell goods to, we need to order codes. Those codes are delivered by the authorities. They are then printed with laser printers onto our packs. Shortly after, they are recorded by an anti-tampering device, which is a device sealed, upon which we have no access. Those packs are bundled into outers. There also the outers receive a unique code, printed and scanned. The outers are grouped together into master case, which also receive a unique ID, and the master cases are bundled together into pallets. We have to declare when the goods are leaving the factories, when they're arriving at the warehouses or at the customers.
Every pallet coming from the production has their own labels, which is a unique code, and this unique code will be used all along the logistic chain. We scan it and we send it to our fully automated warehouse. When it comes out, it's scanned by the operator. We send it to the European Union. There are different messages that we send. So the first one, when the picking is complete, we declare it and we send all the information of the truck to the European Union. The second one is a dispatch message in which we declare every detail of the transport. We have to wait for the green light of the European Union. We never had a red light for the moment, so I don't know, but if it's a red light, we should analyze the logs of these red lights and see what is wrong.
Osapiens help us in many ways. At the very beginning of the project, they help us defining the strategy and the plan on how we're going to go further. They help us in elaborating the technical infrastructure and the design. They deliver to us state-of-the-art application, allowing us to comply with the regulation on time and on budget.
Osapiens help us through the whole process. So it started from the blueprint to the implementation and the integration in our IT systems. Also after the go live, they support us during the day-to-day business, give also their expertise of what to do. In the past, it was just basically moving pallets, and now as you have to track all the movements, you have to be really sure that the storekeeper scans the right pallet to go in the right truck. So it's now becoming vital for us, otherwise we couldn't be operating in the frame of a track and trace.
If track and trace does not work, we cannot produce any packs anymore, and our customer cannot be served, so production will be down.